Yo, what is up guys, Gabriel here. So previously, we talked about how important it is to protect and keep your data safe with a review of the ADATA HD770G external hard drive. Now, imagine all the specs of the HD770G plus some upgrades and with so much more stylish design. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at the ADATA HD770G RGB external hard drive and see why you want to take this bad boy into consideration. So without further ado, let's get started. Even though this hard drive was not made specifically for gaming, it has a lot of aspects that make it look like one. The HD770G RGB is the world's first RGB external HDD in the market. Starting with distinctive chamfered edges and two light beam shaped RGB strips that will make your external drive look neat. As well, between the two strips, we can find a perforated pattern that comes to life as the RGB lighting pulsates. Followed by a rubber surface, which ADATA has named it as an anti-shock silicone, which again supports my idea that the HD770G look is ideal for gamers. This external drive was made to be your mate in the toughest fights. It can survive a fall from up to 1.5 meters high, protecting not only your files, but its appearance as well. You can find a dark design, but you can also get a red design, depending on your preferences. Now, let's see if this hard drive is also a good option when it comes to technical specifications. The HD770G RGB offers memory capacities up to 1 or 2 terabytes and uses a USB 3.2 interface. Considering its design, you would consider it to be a little bit heavy. Both the 1TB and 2TB drive are 270 grams. It has plenty of storage capacity, which could be used to carry all of your games with you. So basically, you don't have to worry anymore about the limited storage of your PS4 or Xbox console. For those who are wondering, it comes with a 3-year warranty. You can protect your data with AES encryption, which helps you to password protect the hard drive. The HD770G RGB protects your games from dust and water. It comes with the ultimate protection, which goes beyond the highest level IP68 standard. In fact, it can handle 120 minutes underwater. And unlike other troublesome port covers that we can find in other external drives, it's easy to plug and comes with a triple layer protection, which consists of a shock-absorbing silicone casing, sturdy buffer, and a cushioned mounting. So no matter how sloppy you think you are, this external hard drive will survive whichever way you take it to. To wrap up, this external drive is perfect for those gamers who need extra space for the games. As well, I love the fact that even though I can be quite sloppy sometimes, the HD770G just makes me feel so confident that rain or shine, my external drive will always be there for me. When it comes to specs, performance, and transfer speed, this hard drive isn't lacking in any way. In fact, the HD770G is among one of the best external hard drives I've used to date. And that's it for today's video guys. Let us know what you think about the HD770G in the comments below. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and smash the notification bell, and that way you don't miss any of your future content. If you want to support the channel, you can check out our Patreon page in the description below, where you can get access to exclusive media. Thanks for watching. This is Gabriel here. Hasta la vista.